Hi everyone, Drew Barnett here at Belt, Bruner and Barnett Personal Injury Lawyers. Here today to discuss maybe the most frequent question I'm asked in the context of car accident cases or injury cases arising from motor vehicle accidents. That is, what is my case worth? Again, one of the first questions potential clients often ask me. And unfortunately, the cold hard truth of that is it's impossible to answer the question of what a person's personal injury case is worth after a motor vehicle accident until all the evidence is gathered. So if you call me today, I'm going to be quite blunt with you and tell you what depends. It depends on information we don't yet know. Oftentimes, folks are calling following a motor vehicle accident and they're still undergoing treatment. Maybe they don't even know the full extent of what their injuries are. In those circumstances, it's completely inappropriate for a lawyer to try to guess what a case would be worth because there's too many unknown factors. First, we need to weigh and evaluate exactly what your medical treatment was, that it's complete, so we have a full picture of your injuries, the scope and nature of your injuries, and then other factors that come into play on the value of cases, such as venue, what your potential jury pool would be, whether that's in a federal court with multiple counties or in state court, pulling from one specific area. The facts of the case, whether there's egregious conduct or aggravated liability from behalf of the tortfeasor or the wrongdoer, and the permanent aspect, or hopefully lack thereof, of your injury. All those things go into account, and over the course of representation, we as injury lawyers gather that information from various sources. Those come from your medical records, from your payments made by health insurers, through your lost wages, from doctors' testimony and opinions, as well as evaluating and discovering evidence about the at fault party in a case to determine whether or not there is aggravated liability that could also lead to additional recoveries in the case. So, unfortunately, on the front end, it's impossible to evaluate how much a case is worth. But when all the evidence is gathered, each lawyer has a chance to review that evidence, such as your medical records, and get a full grasp of the full picture of your harms and losses. There will be an absolute time and place where a lawyer such as myself or anyone here at this firm will sit you down, give you our opinions, go through all the various factors that are unique to your case, and make recommendations as to value and the best strategy as to maximizing that value for a recovery in your case. So, given the uniqueness of everyone's separate cases, I encourage you all to call and discuss your matters with us. We'd be happy to answer any questions you have and look forward to hearing from you. Thank you again.